Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile notifications not received. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA mobile not received notifications, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about this window of FIFA mobile. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click here clear data because that can make a lot of problems or errors on your application. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.